Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. Hopefully whoever's missing isn't dead. Okay, so moving into, can you all hear me okay? Thumbs up if you can hear me all right. Okay, just making sure. Sometimes the microphone on this is a little weird. Okay, so going over the pull stuff, it looks like most of you guys know where to find things. It looks like we're somewhat split on what a hypothesis and a theory is, as well as what the importance of taking good data is. And really, actually, everybody got the last one there, which is all of the above. So the reason I am putting this out there is, one, we're going to talk about the scientific method just a little bit today. I've just got a very small assignment for you guys to do as groups. We're not going to do that yet. I want to cover a few things just to make sure that we are all on the same page before getting to that point. And really, after that, the plan is to put you in breakout rooms, and I am going to have you work together in these breakout rooms to complete an assignment on the scientific method. The whole point of me doing that is to give you practice in the breakout rooms, because these times every Wednesday at 12:30 is going to be where you are discussing your data with a group of students. And it's going to be a different group of students each week, so you're kind of getting familiar with different people's ecosystems and everything else. And this is really just practice for that, because that's going to be a very big part of your project, is actually being able to analyze data and being able to communicate data back and forth and verify information, making sure your stuff is accurate. So don't freak out. Today's assignment is insanely easy. It's going to take about 20 minutes to get knocked out, and then you guys can turn it in for a free grade. In fact, I'm encouraging you guys to share answers today while you're in the breakout room. So everybody should have the same answers for the most part this time around. Okay, so let me switch up my screen share here really quick over to my desktop so I can share with you the things I want to share with you. And actually, I need to move Safari over here. All right, now we should be able to see that. Okay. The other thing I want to mention, the reason you see me twice on your Zoom little camera thing here is I always log in with my iPad so I can see what you're seeing. That way I don't like talk 5 minutes and not have what's supposed to be up on the screen ready to go. Okay, so biology, hour 2, that is you guys. Congratulations, you all made it here. I appreciate it. Yes, Miss Howard, I know. It's so much fun staring at your screen. Okay, so we're going to go on ahead and get into this. Classwork. Discard those changes. We don't need to see that. Today, a lot of you probably just noticed that I posted up a video about your quarter 1 project. I'm not going to go through your quarter 1 project because I did a video about it. But basically, the sequence is up here, and this sequence, it is blocked so you can't actually type into this or anything like that. It's just here for you to view. What you're going to see pop up at the end of the week, and probably sometime today, is the stuff that you can actually work on, and that will be the first segment or portion of this project. I break all this down in the video that I posted here on YouTube, and I go through the basically what the purpose of the project is and all of that stuff for you. And yeah, so that's that. So make sure you watch that so you understand what this project's all about. Okay, other things to mention. I've been getting a lot of questions on where or how to do this assignment. You do not have links for textbooks, and in fact, I decided to go on ahead and tell the people at the central office not to get them for you so we can save money and use it for something else. The only login that I need is one for me, and what I'm going to start doing is this. I'm just going to start taking screenshots of the actual, I know it's taking forever to load. I'm just going to start taking screenshots of the digital textbook and posting them up there. That way you don't have to deal with the textbook program that's a web app, and it is insanely slow and cumbersome, And really, it's just horrible in all ways that I can think of it being horrible. So we're just going to do it this way. So in order to get that done, this is Friday's assignment. That's what you got right there is the PDF files to read that. So just keep that in mind. Anything else? Oh, the one other thing I need to make sure that you guys are doing right now is make sure you have the Zoom assignment open on your Chromebook right now, because that's what we're about to do in just a moment. Okay, so got that. Don't like this pen. Got that. Okay. So other things to mention, these are extra credit assignments. It even says it on there. You don't have to do those. Those are up there for people who want extra work for this week. Okay, that's it. That's all I wanted to say in that regard. So let's go on ahead and get into what we're doing today. This is the scientific method little assignment, chintzy little assignment, cheap little assignment that I put together. You can see it is super basic, like pumpkin latte basic. And all we're going to do is watch this quick video on the scientific method, and then you guys are going to answer some questions. And you guys can answer these, like I said, together. I expect you to cheat today. I expect you to share answers over in the breakout rooms in just a moment. And really, we're just going to kind of go over what the scientific method is. You've obviously learned this a million times, but I just want to go ahead and go over it because we're going to be applying this for your project. And if you don't understand the difference between a hypothesis and a theory and why taking data is important and all of those things, then it's going to be a rough project for you. So with that, I am going to put you in breakout rooms right now. Show of hands, like thumbs up. How many of you have actually used a breakout room so far? That is basically nobody. So this is going to be a new experience for everybody. Do not freak out when all of a sudden you're stuck in a room or the screen goes black. You will get a little notification that says join room. And if you don't do it within 60 seconds, it'll force you into the room anyways. Okay? All right. You will see me periodically popping in and out of your room. That is just to make sure you guys don't have questions. Before I send you in there, though, I want to mention if you click the little button that says participants on Zoom, you will get little features on the side, little buttons to push, like a raised hand button or a thumbs up or a thumbs down or a coffee cup that says I need a break and stuff like that. If you guys need me while you're in the breakout rooms, that's how you get my attention, and I'll pop right back in. Okay? All right. So now for the big scary breakout room. Here we go. Let me get your faces off of my screen so I can find it. There's the button. Breakout room, breakout room. 4 to 5. Yep. Okay. So you are working on the assignment, the aforementioned assignment. I will see you guys. Oh, I'm going to set a timer for 20 minutes. At the end of 20 minutes, we will come back together. I will quickly go over the answers and I'll let you go. I don't want to waste your time today. So this is going to be nice and sweet and to the point. All right, here we go.